Hi friends, welcome to the Deeper Learning Art Project. You've done some exploring in science and you've looked at some of the things that are hurting our planet. Now we are going to create a work of art that shows how you might tell others about these problems, or your art may show your ideas for how to fix these problems. We are thinking about art and how art can give us information, how it can share ideas, and how art can be part of the solution. We're going to give you a variety of different projects to choose from. All of the projects use materials that you probably already have at home, and you may be using materials in ways other than their intended use. Before we begin creating, I want you to think about three words: invention, imagination, and composition. Invention. You, the artist, are the inventor. You are going to create something that does not already exist, and you're going to do it by using materials that you find at home. For example, this is a whisk that you would use in the kitchen. Today, it might be the inspiration for a tide pool protector. If my problem is the Rocky Shore tide pool and how to protect the tide pools, I have used my whisk as inspiration for a tide pool protector, and it's going to spin and give off a sound to warn the beachgoer that they shouldn't step there because they might hurt that ocean creature. Imagination. You will use your imagination to create a unique solution to your problem. While you will get your ideas from the learning that you've done in science, you have to remember in art, anything is possible. This artist had the problem of plastics on our beaches and in our oceans. They used their imagination to invent a machine that picks up plastics on the beach and turns them into seeds, and they spit out the top of their machine and grow new plants. They looked around their house and they found this plastic airplane and used that to come up with the shape for their machine. Composition. Composition is the arrangement of the materials in your work of art. In other words, where you place things and how they look. For example, your invention may take up the whole paper, or it may be part of a bigger scene. Here are two compositions using the same object. In this composition, the artist chose to put the object in the center all by itself, so the main focus is the object. In this composition, the artist chose to put the object over to the side and then added some other elements to tell a story. Think of this project as an adventure. You're going to use your imagination, your problem-solving skills to create a work of art that shows how you might fix some of the problems on our planet. Let's get started.